Top 3 places walking distance from your home. Number 1, Fusion Asian Bistro. This highly rated restaurant is a local favorite for amazing meals and a great atmosphere right in your neighborhood. Number 2, Lidl. Having this popular grocery store just around the corner makes your weekly shopping quick, easy, and convenient. Number 3, Fitness 1440. Staying active is a breeze with this well-loved fitness center located just minutes from your front door. With fantastic dining, convenient shopping at Lidl, and great fitness options all nearby, this neighborhood truly offers a lifestyle of ease. Now let's take a look at the property. Own a stunning waterfront retreat surrounded by dense green forests. Discover a luxury property perfectly positioned between 2 beautiful lakes. This expansive 5-bedroom home boasts elegant stone accents and charming architecture. Ready to move? Contact Alice Matthews Realtor to see it today.